Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Di bab 5, kelas 6 SD atau MI dengan judul What did you do yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin? Where did you go last night? Kemana kamu pergi tadi malam? I went to a bookstore last night. Aku pergi ke toko buku tadi malam. So, what did you buy? Apa yang kamu beli? I bought a storybook. Aku membeli buku cerita. How did you go there? Bagaimana kamu pergi ke sana? By motorcycle. Dengan sepeda motor. Next. Look and answer. Lihat dan jawab. Look at the picture and answer the question. Lihat gambar dan jawab pertanyaan. Aisyah went to the garden last Sunday. Aisyah pergi ke taman. Aisyah pergi ke taman minggu yang lalu. So, what did Aisyah do last Sunday? She went to the garden. What did she ride? When did she ride a bicycle? Last Sunday. She ride a bicycle last Sunday. Okay, that's good. Did she go to museum? Dia pergi ke museum? No, she didn't go to museum. She didn't go to museum. Ya, dia tidak pergi ke museum. Did she see only one cat? Apakah dia hanya melihat satu kucing? No, she didn't. She didn't see only one cat, but she saw two cats. Dia nggak hanya lihat satu kucing, tapi dua kucing. How many trees did she pass? Berapa pohon yang udah dia lewati ya? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are four trees. How many birds were in the garden? Berapa banyak burung yang ada di taman? Many birds. Just one, I think. Okay. Next. Look and answer. Lihat dan jawab. Look at the picture and answer the question. Lihat gambar dan jawab pertanyaan. Mother went fishing last Sunday. Mother pergi memancing. Mother pergi memancing last Sunday. Minggu yang lalu ya. How many fish did you get? Berapa banyak ikan yang kamu peroleh? I get 3 fish. Aku dapat 3. Who did mother talk to? Did mother talk to? Mother talk to father. What did he do? What did he do at the river? Apa yang dilakukan di sungai? She fished a fish. Did his father paint the river? Apakah ayahnya melukis sungai? No. Oh, yes. Yes, right. Yes, the father paint the river. Ayahnya melukis sungai. Did his father go fishing too? Apakah ayahnya pergi memancing juga? I think no. How many fish did mother get? Berapa banyak ikan yang mother peroleh? Kira-kira ikannya berapa ya? 1. I think only 1. Okay. Now look and say. Sebentar ya. Look and say, take your card, ambil kartu kalian, and ask your friend, dan tanya teman kalian. Card A for student A. Kartu A untuk murid 1. Card B for student 2 untuk murid yang kedua. Gambarnya ada Pura Besaki dan alun-alun Kota Batu ya. Di situ sudah ada. Okay, that's good. Student 1, where did you go last Sunday? Kemana kamu pergi minggu lalu? Ya. I went to Malang last week. Where did you do last week? I went to Bali. OMG, this question is so funny. Where did you go last Sunday? Nah, kamu pergi minggu lalu. I went to Malang last week. Aku pergi ke Malang minggu lalu. Where did you go last week? Mana kamu pergi minggu lalu? I went to Bali. Aku pergi ke Bali. Next, read and answer. Read the text and answer the questions. Lihat tulisan dan pertanyaan jawaban, jawablah di pertanyaannya. Made visited his grandmother. Dia mengunjungi neneknya. Made went to Jakarta last week. He visited his grandmother. He got there by train in the morning. Okay. He brought a basket of fruit. Jadi Made pergi ke Jakarta minggu lalu. Dia mengunjungi neneknya. He got there by train in the morning. Dia ke sana naik kereta di pagi hari ya. He brought a basket of fruit. Dia membawa sekeranjang buah and bunch of flowers for his grandmother. Dan bawa bunga juga ke neneknya. The trip took a long time. Jadi perjalanannya long time, agak lama ya. He arrived at grandmother's house. Dia sampai di rumah nenek in the next morning. Di di hari selanjutnya intinya. He arrived at grandmother's house in the next morning. Di besoknya dia dapat waktunya besoknya sampainya ya. Arrive itu sampai. So he was very tired. Dia capek betul, capek sekali gitu. But everything changed when he met his grandmother. Semuanya berubah ketika dia ketemu neneknya. His grandmother was very happy to see him. Jadi neneknya senang bertemu atau melihat dia. Who went to Jakarta last week? Siapa yang pergi ke Jakarta minggu lalu? Made went to Jakarta last week. How did he go to Jakarta? Bagaimana dia pergi ke Jakarta? He went to Jakarta by train. What did he bring for his grandmother? Apa yang dia bawa untuk neneknya? He brought a basket of fruits and a bunch of flowers for his grandmother. Dia membawa sekeranjang buah dan sebuket bunga untuk neneknya. Did he arrive at his grandmother's house in the next morning? Yes, he arrived at his grandmother's house in the next morning. How did this grandmother feel? Apa yang nenek itu rasakan? His grandmother was very happy to see him. So, my new word kosakata baru, who, siapa, what, apa, where, di mana, when, kapan, how, bagaimana. Jika kalian senang tentang senyum, oke, jangan lupa komen, like, comment, dan subscribe biar tambah semangat ngantannya. Thank you, semoga bermanfaat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.